Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook yams on the stove. Start by selecting firm, unblemished yams. Give them a good wash under cold water to remove any dirt. Next, carefully peel the yams using a vegetable peeler or a sharp knife. For consistent cooking, cut the peeled yams into uniform 1-inch, 2.5 centimeter cubes. This preparation ensures every piece cooks perfectly on the stove. Now, place your prepared yam cubes into a large pot. Cover them with cold water, ensuring the water level is at least 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters above the yams. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt to the water. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer. Let them cook for 15 to 20 minutes or until they are easily pierced with a fork. Once your yams are tender, drain them thoroughly in a colander. Return the drained yams to the pot or transfer them to a mixing bowl. Now, it's time to add some delicious flavor. Incorporate 2 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Mash the yams until they reach your desired smooth or slightly chunky consistency. Your delicious stovetop yams are now ready to be served. They make a fantastic warm side dish for any meal. For an extra touch, you can garnish them with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or a dash of nutmeg. If you prefer a bit more sweetness, a drizzle of maple syrup works wonderfully. Enjoy your perfectly cooked and flavorful yams.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.